Welcome to our Regulations video series. I'm Laura, your Customer Success Manager, here to guide you through Oklahoma Senate Bill 546 and its main privacy requirements. Oklahoma Senate Bill 546 creates privacy rights for Oklahoma residents and sets rules for certain businesses that process personal data. The law was approved in 2026 and takes effect on January 1st, 2027. Here's a short timeline. The bill was first read in the Oklahoma Senate on February 3, 2025. It passed the Oklahoma House on February 19, 2026, received final Senate passage on March 16, 2026, and was approved by the governor on March 20th that same year. The law takes effect on January 1, 2027. The law applies to businesses operating in Oklahoma or targeting Oklahoma residents. A business may fall within scope if it processes data of at least 100,000 consumers in a year, or at least 25,000 consumers if over 50% of its gross revenue comes from selling personal data. The law includes several exemptions. These include state agencies and political subdivisions, financial institutions, and data regulated by the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, entities covered by the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and business associates, nonprofit organizations, institutions of higher education, employment-related data, and personal or household data use. Businesses have several responsibilities. Controllers must limit data collection to disclosed purposes, use reasonable data security practices, obtain consent before processing sensitive data, avoid discrimination when consumers exercise their rights, and follow required controller and processor contract rules. Website owners that fall within scope should provide request methods, offer a website request mechanism, publish a clear privacy notice, disclose targeted advertising and data sales, and explain how consumers may opt out. The law also sets timing and process rules. Controllers must respond to consumer requests within 45 days and may use one 45-day extension when needed. They must create an appeal process, respond to appeals within 60 days, and conduct data protection assessments for higher risk processing. Oklahoma consumers have the right to access their personal data, correct inaccuracies, delete personal data, receive a portable copy, and opt out of targeted advertising, data sales, and certain profiling decisions. The Oklahoma Attorney General has exclusive enforcement authority. The law provides a 30-day cure period before an action may be brought. Penalties can reach up to $7,500 per violation, and the law does not create a private right of action. Thank you for joining us. At Clym, we're here to help you navigate compliance with ease. Visit us at clym.io to learn more about our all-in-one digital compliance solution.